Hello, this is Steve Dix again. I'm bringing part B of the video about Musa. The first video will talk about Musa, the resume builder. But since Musa is doing more than resume building, I've reinforced the name to Musa, the Career Intelligence. So in this video, we're going to see how we can use Musa to search for jobs and use Musa to have some to create our resumes that correspond to the jobs that Musa will identify. So let's just go about it. And I'll tell Musa what I want Musa to do. Then I'm going to provide specific instruction. Be careful about your prompt. I'm going to provide specific instructions on what I want Musa to do. So that is what I want to use Musa for today. I've told Musa. Now, this is my instruction that I'm giving Musa. I'm asking Musa to search and then present. Let's make it small. Present 3 rows and ask me to choose from them. All right. Musa is then working on the input that we have asked. Musa is searching the jobs. There's a glitch, so let's just wait and see. Technical issues. Our next question that we're going to choose the ones that we are interested in, and we're going to tell Musa that we are interested in this and this. So Musa has provided 3 jobs that meet our profession and meet our salary requirement. He has provided threat and vulnerability analyst, his Vertex solution, and his remote. He has also provided cyber threat intelligence analyst, in person corporation. It has also provided lead information security analyst in Dynatrace. Good. These are the jobs that Musa has provided. So let's click this first one and see where the job is coming from. Wow, the job is coming from LinkedIn. Let's go back and look at the other one where the posting is coming from. The posting is also coming from LinkedIn. Let's do another one. All of it is coming from LinkedIn, which is good. So those jobs exist. Now, let's move forward and ask Musa, okay, we want to apply for job row 2 or row 1. Let me look the one with higher pay. Okay, let's do job 1 and 3. Now, in that job 1 and 3, what do I want Musa to do? All right, I want Musa to tell a resume for each selected jobs. So that's what I want Musa to do. So I've selected my jobs and I'm telling Musa what I want Musa to do. Tell a resume for each selected job using 1-page limit, impactful tone, chronological format, and reader contact information for now. All right. Let's see what Musa is going to give us. And after that, our step 4 will be we want Musa to generate cover letter. So we'll ask Musa to generate cover letter as soon as Musa is capable of bringing out those 3 separate resumes that we need. Then we're going to go ahead to ask Musa, could you create us a cover letter? And our step 5, 6, 7 which we're not gonna take too long. There's so many things you can try with Musa to see how it functions, but we can't keep the video too long. I think I'll keep making videos short or making videos and posting about how to use Musa. But you're welcome to try. Musa is still working on the resumes. So, that's the first survey. I mean, that's the first resume. That's the second resume. Wow. We have our resumes created. Now, let's go to the next step and ask Musa to create cover pages for this job. No, that's not it. Give me one moment, please. Control C. Yeah, we'll ask Musa to create cover pages for this job, which is the same scenario that we saw in our first video. So these are the cover pages that Musa is creating. Less than no time. Thank you, Musa. Musa has produced that letter, and the page is kind of the second letter, and the network is trying. Yeah, it is back. All the letters are being produced right now. Cover page letter. Now, the next thing I want to ask Musa is normally if Musa can produce a downloadable application package containing this. So let's see that and see if that's something that Musa can do. To be honest, I don't know if I gave Musa that capability yet, but it would be nice to try. So let him bring us our downloadable package that we can use for a job application. So Musa is still working. All right, the network was kind of slow. Another problem again. So Musa is working while we are waiting. Another good thing you can do is Musa can update your job tracker for you. Can create one job tracker for you and update your job tracker for you. And all you need to do is everything is recorded. So Musa is still working. I think all those things are not yet done. It's bringing the application package for us. Was enough work for Musa. So Musa has done the resume. Giving you all the spot where you're going to apply at. So Musa is done. Will you like this as downloaded PDF or Word files? So everything has been done just the way we want it. And these are required documents checklist. We have this too. Security clearance documentation if required, references if required, DOD 214 if required, and all this beautiful stuff Musa has begun giving to us. So let's try, as I said, let's say PDF. Because everything is seeing the capacity of Musa. I cannot underestimate what Musa can do, right? So let's see if our link is going to be what we want it to be. So Musa is telling us what it's going to do. So Musa is preparing the file. So with veterans, military, you can also use Musa to help you translate your EPBs to bullet points that you can add to your CV. So Musa is still working. So I'm here, I'm waiting. So Musa and I, we are working on the application package. And the next thing we're supposed to ask Musa was to ask Musa to log this information into our application tracker. In order for Musa to log this information into your application tracker, you have to provide Musa access to whatever tracker you have created, maybe in the Google Drive sheet. Musa will be able to log this information into the tracker. And in order to have you people or have users being able to use this, I cannot link Musa to my Google Sheet, because if I do, I won't be able to share with you guys through relevance. It will be hard-coded information that will restrict sharing with you guys. So the best way you can do is to, if you want it to do so, I'm gonna add that possibility, but you have to connect with your Gym. You have to connect with your Google Sheet where you have the information to be stored. For example, let's just use an example for us to see. Um, Musa, this is what Musa, add these two jobs. All right. You see the question that Musa is going to ask us, which is something that I'm just explaining. In order to keep away hard-coded information from this program, I'm not going to do that, but I will add it so that people have the possibility to do so. Now, this is the problem. Now, Musa done, I have added these two jobs in your application tracker. Now, where is the tracker? Would you like to view the current application tracker, set up, follow up, reminder, or add any custom notes to these jobs? Let me know. So, Musa is adding this based on the fact that you have to provide your location where your tracker is at using your Google Sheet. So, please, if you like this and you want to customize this to work for you and so that you locked all the data in, that's okay. I'm going to add that capability so that whenever you're using it, you're going to add your information and then Musa will be able to lock the information for you. Thank you for watching. God bless you. I wait your comment and your feedback.